Before you begin, remove the top cover, battery, and wireless module. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel ribbon cable from the system board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the system board. Important: if a touchscreen is installed on the unit, disconnect the touchscreen cable from its connector on the system board. While supporting the display panel assembly, remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead and one 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the base enclosure. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead and one 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the base enclosure. Carefully guide the display panel assembly out from under the lip on the base enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.